Swing at Seattle, 2 mini swing out variations. Here's what happened in our class. Shaka-da, shaka-da. The rhythm of that goes kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. One more time, that goes shaka-da, shaka-da. We have a kick, ball, change, then a little bit of a replace. If we do 2 in a row in the swing out, it goes step, step, trip, full step, 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 kick, ball, change, trip, full step, 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 kick, ball, change, We also did a low down variation, which goes low, 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 ball change. That goes here in that same spot. Step, step, trip, full step, 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 low, 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 ball change, trip, full step, 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 low, 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 ball change. We also did an open, close, heel, ball change. That looks like open, close, heel, ball change. Looks like step, step, trip, full step, 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 open, close, heel, ball change, trip, full step, 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 open, close, heel, ball change. The last piece we did was a little bit of a hopscotchy kind of feel. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Hey, that looks like leader starting with your weight on your left.
Followers weight on the right.
Hey, ho, just down. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Hey, that looks like step, step, trip, full step, 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 ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Hey, trip, full step, 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 ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Hey. Thanks for joining us for 2 mini swing out variations. Thank you for supporting Swing at Seattle.